All right, it's June 2nd. It is day one of the 30-day challenge for me for uploading YouTube videos. This is my house. Entry, please. No. Yeah, all of this, I had to tear it all up. Kitchen redone, new appliances, new wall or new sheetrock, new trim, new paint. I still have to paint the ceilings, but that wasn't affected by the flood, so I'm not really worried about it. I did change the railing here. There's something else. Looks a little better, I think. I didn't do this by myself, by the way. It was my dad and I. We kind of tackled this together. There's Olive. Olive, hello. Say hello to the people on the internet. Okay. If you haven't gotten yourself one of those things, a Roomba guy, where did he go? I have to move this couch. Get yourself one of these. Honestly, you just press a button and it just vacuums up your house. You don't have to do it. Very nice stuff. But now we're gonna go to the garage, show you what I've been dealing with. All right, keep working hard, man. This is how everything's been. Evo. Yeah, it's been good. I took it to a couple shows this past few weeks, but my air fuel ratio gauge is reading a little high. I think it's either because of bad E85 or one of my injectors is partially clogged. GTR. I took the windshield out. I have to now obviously take it and put it somewhere safe. But let me get this out of the way. But here is the rocker. I already replaced this part, welded that in. I had to cut everything out, and then the rust from here on out. Let's see. I'll show you where it is. I have it laying right here. So that's that panel for the hole I just showed you. And this was where, I'll just bring it over here. This was right there. Kind of got a hang of things. I think it comes out good, but it just takes a long time because I don't know what I'm doing. If you buy, a rusty car, if minor rust is not minor, I don't care what anybody, look at this. I don't care what buyers tell you. Either one, beat them up over, don't physically beat them up, but beat them up over the price to get a low price for the car, or just go to another car. It is, in my opinion, it's not worth it unless the car is something special. Do I want a GTR? Yes, I do. The amount of rust this car has, I think I might have bought kind of the wrong one, but that's okay because it's part of learning, right? Project. I learned a lot of things so far, and I'm only gonna learn more. I also made a lot of mistakes. So. I guess I'll show you guys what underneath the brake booster, what that looks like. Let's see. So this, I welded this in. You can see some of the welds here. And I welded this piece in. I actually made this, and then welded in like that. I think it looks good. And I'll show you on the other side. This is what it looks like on the other side. Obviously not OEM, but I think it looks good. Some of the quotes I got to restore this car. Get rid of the rust, paint, bodywork, 20K. We start this at 10K, and it only goes up from there. And you can drop your car off in 2 years. Brother, I don't have 2 years. When you're stuck between a rock and a hard place, figure it the fuck out. Oh fuck, there's a wasp. I have the ability to figure this shit out, and I know I can, and so I'm gonna do it. Plan is to just kind of clean up here and organize some stuff, get rid of some trash, and set this up for tomorrow. I'm gonna put you guys down here somewhere, and just gonna do a time lapse. Alright, so after cleaning up the garage a little bit, this window needs to go upstairs. I was able to cut it out, and here's some advice on how you can do it, because it is as stressful as you think it is. Obviously, you can't get these at a junkyard. You can't get them. You can get them from an aftermarket source, but you cannot get these from Nissan. I just got this $15 tool from Harbor Freight. Cut it maybe like 5 or 6 times, right? It went a little bit further each time, and was able to cut the rubber or the seal out, and that seemed to work great. It's a little more challenging around the curves, but just take your time. My advice is just take your time and do it slowly and be precise. So you have 1, 2, 3 connections, and then that's it. Oh, the rust outside, it's just a little bit, it happens to all of them, and then you take one of the covers off on the inside, and it's a kick in the balls. Alright, got the clips undone. I used one of these. Use one of these. I'm sweating. It's hot. I gotta put on some shorts. Get ready to take this boy out of here. Oh god. Alright, got the windshield out, moved it upstairs, and just looking at this. Chat, are we cooked? Look at this. I've been slowly just chipping away at this. And then, I don't know if you can see this, but that's not good. Obviously, I'm gonna have to cut some stuff out and replace it, but I think it's gonna be fine. If this was the first thing I've done on this car in terms of like rust repair, and I saw this, I would have freaked out. But now it's just like, I think I can replace this and make it fine. And with that, that concludes my day 1 of the 30-day vlog challenge. Ending it sweaty. Pause. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm just gonna be doing it. Peace.